Kung kayanin na yan na si Muñeca! I think it's coppery. It's metallic. It's coppery. Okay, it's...
Ay, ang ganda.
No, it is violet. It is ube. Oh, amazing. Beautiful. Oh, no, it's not ube. It's gold and it's... I don't know. I don't care. It's beautiful. Sino gumawa nito? Ay. Day! Mukha siyang winner, Day. Oh, beautiful. I love the shape.
Para siyang black.
Para siyang
Midnight blue.
midnight blue with gold and I don't know. I can't
Midnight
figure it
blue.
out. I don't care. The styling is... Wow, that was beautiful. Starry night. Day. Beautiful. Buti na lang naayos ko yung buhay ko bago tayo mawala ng bonggang-bongga. The glow is there. She looks super mabango, super diretso na sa red carpet sa Cannes. Everybody is now paling in comparison. I don't really care. Siya yung nag-umaangat sa akin ngayon sa prelims na to. She doesn't really have to do a lot. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Ang plakado. Okay, so I think we are now with